iFood is getting here. So today I want to talk about this because as a Jamaican, this is something that I think all of us should get a little insight on. And I don't know everything, so we're going to do this together. Now, for me personally, just adding some jerk seasoning to a piece of chicken doesn't automatically makes it jerk chicken. It's way more than that. It's the entire process of which we season and prepare the meat. The key ingredients for jerk chicken are some scotch bonnet pepper, pimento berries, or some would call it allspice. You have scallion, you have garlic, you have ginger, and a little jerk season or salt, of course. But what I think that really makes it jerk chicken is the method in which it's cooked. I think cooking it slowly over pimento wood so that it get that, smoky, spicy, charred flavor that we as Jamaican all love about jerk chicken puts the icing on the cake. And one thing we can't forget, guys, you have to marinate that meat overnight so that all the flavor can soak in properly. That is the real secret to authentic jerk chicken.